Hey guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of this guitar that I found on eBay. I paid about $1,400 for it. Let's check it out. I don't know if you guys have seen my other videos, but I am a huge fan of guitars and everything that has to do with them. So anytime I get a chance to own a cool one, I try to jump on it if it's the right price. And I felt this one was. So I'm so glad they didn't do peanuts. I don't think people really do peanuts anymore. Oh fuck, it's heavy. Oh. Ooh, it's a nice case. So it really is a nice case. Yamaha, made in Japan. Now, sometimes they have one back there. I guess this one doesn't. I miss. So there we go. Nice and beautiful until we get right here, and then oh my gosh, it's broken. Yeah, I knew that when I put in the offer, because these ones go brand new for like, I think it was like $2,500, if not more, for the more special ones. So it seems like everything else is in good condition. Oh look, I got some wood chips, so those are the, I don't know where the angle is, a little flapper doodles that go on the very edge here. I have to do some tape gluing up on that. That's okay. Glad they put that in bubble wrap. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. Looked like it was a clean break. I think I'll be able to salvage this really nicely. Then case candy. Ooh, I got case candy. It's like polishing cloth and some picks. That's fun. Ooh, there's the truss rod cover. Ooh, and another chip. I like chips. I would think that's the user manual. I think that's in Russian on that part. I don't know how to read or speak Russian. User manual. Oh, Allen key. I would think that there'd be something in that. Oh, look. An unused 9-volt. How cool is that? Ooh, we got another Allen key and the key for the case. Awesome. Got the model number. It's let's see, SG1820A. So there's their quality check. That's nice. Or bubble wrap. Bubble wrap's too fun. We'll be doing some touch-up repair here. There's a few scratches. That's not too bad. Flip her over, do it we got some loose chips there. These type of cases, they I'm noticing on this black guitar, it's showing everything, but there's fibers everywhere. It still has the plastic on the switch cover. Oh look, there's the nut. It looks in good shape. You guys can't see that very well, but oh, sorry, I'm getting used to this whole camera thing. I'll get better over time, don't worry. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit more thorough examination, and I'm gonna make a series out of this of how to repair this particular guitar and upload it as I go along. See you guys in the next one. Oops. All right, here's a test of getting this set up for unboxing this guitar.